Why students who teach others score 90% higher, and how to use this hack solo. Want to know the single most powerful study technique that outperforms highlighting, rereading, and cramming combined? It's so effective that students using it score up to 90% higher on exams, yet only 12% of learners ever try it. Meet the Protégé Effect, the mind-blowing phenomenon where teaching material to someone else creates dramatically stronger neural pathways than simply studying it for yourself. This isn't just another study tip, it's a complete revolution in how your brain encodes information. Why does this brain hack work such magic? When you prepare to teach, your brain automatically 1. Reorganizes information into simpler, more logical structures. 2. Identifies gaps in your understanding that would otherwise go unnoticed. 3. Creates multiple memory pathways, visual, verbal, and conceptual. 4. Generates concrete examples that anchor abstract concepts. 5. Activates the brain's reward centers when your student understands. But here's the revolutionary part. You don't actually need another person to harness this superpower. Cognitive scientists have developed a technique called the solo teacher method that triggers the same neural benefits without requiring a real student. Here's how to implement this game-changing hack by yourself. First, master the imaginary student dialogue. After studying a concept, pretend you're explaining it to a specific person who asks challenging questions. Speaking out loud activates different brain regions than silent reviewing. Next, try Whiteboard Mastery. Stand up, crucial, and explain concepts on a whiteboard or paper as if teaching a class. The physical act of writing while speaking creates powerful cross-modal encoding. Then implement record and critique. Use your phone to record yourself teaching a concept, then listen back and identify areas that need clarification. This metacognitive loop is pure brain gold. Finally, practice real-world anchoring. Connect abstract concepts to concrete examples from everyday life that would help a beginner understand. This forces deeper processing than simply memorizing definitions. Students who incorporated the solo teacher method into their study routines improved test scores by an average of 70% while cutting study time by nearly 1/3. All by working with your brain's natural learning mechanisms instead of against them. Ready to transform your learning? Stop highlighting and start teaching, even if your only student is yourself.